Today we are making green and blue ball sweet dessert. In our fancy with Daun Onde.
Hi everyone, today we'll be making Onde Onde or Klepon, a popular dessert in Malaysia and Indonesia. We will be using pandan, which is grown in a Malaysian neighborhood and is important in our food culture. If you do not live in Asia, try looking for pandan leaves in your Asian grocery store. We will also be using blue pea flour, which is also readily available in Malaysia.
This is blue pea flour.
Gula Melaka is palm sugar, is also always used in Malaysia dessert. Alright, so what do we need to make Onde Onde? Some glutinous rice flour and this one, water, some Gula Melaka, some shredded coconut, some pandan leaves for the green bubble, and this one, Blue Butterfly Pea flour for the blue Onde
And the
Onde.
net.
Yes, we need to use the net, some scissors, bowls and trays, and most importantly, hands. You take one by one.
This one's small.
Make sure it's small, okay? Yes, pass. First, cut about 10 pandan leaves into small pieces. Add half a cup of water and the pandan leaves into the blender and blend into a juice. Scrape the side to blend well. Add some water if necessary to help it blend.
Okay.
Let's put on top here. Hold tight.
Squeeze.
Not yet. Don't worry about it. Pour the pandan mixture into a coffee sieve and squeeze the water out into a bowl. Blending down, okay?
Still want to squeeze?
Yes. Discard the pandan fiber. Pour 1 cup of glutinous rice flour into the pandan juice. Mix and knead well until it forms a dough.
Yucky. No, fun. Yucky.
Add more flour if it is too wet. Add more water if it is too dry.
Until that day, what happened?
Keep doing it until that day it becomes a big lump. Big ball. Let go. Put all together. Dust a tray and your hand with flour.
Dust.
Roll a thumb size of dough into a small ball. Create a small notch and insert some Gula Melaka into the notch. Wrap the dough around the Gula Melaka and roll it into a ball. Kids love making the dough into different sizes and shapes. Make sure the size is almost uniform to ensure even cooking.
Mine's a tiny little ball. A tiny little ball. It's a tiny.
You sure it's still tiny little ball?
There.
Where?
Continue making the balls until the dough is finished. Drop the Onde Onde balls into a pot of boiling water. Stir the ball so the balls doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. When the balls float to the surface, wait another 1 minute and scoop them out without the water. Sprinkle some grated coconut on the boiled Onde Onde and mix well.
The donut is being so small. It just looks like so yummy. It just looks like something.
The Onde Onde is ready to be served. In Malaysia, we traditionally serve it on a banana leaf.
Now we are doing Onde Onde with
Soak about 15 blue pea flour in half a cup of hot water for 15 minutes. Ooh, what color is the water now? Do we have some blue water? Strain and discard the flour. Do you still got color on the flour now?
No.
No more. What happened to the color?
It's the water.
It leaked into the water. Leave the blue water to cool. Add 1 cup of glutinous rice flour into a mixing bowl with the blue water. The rest of the process is similar to the pandan Onde Onde. Okay, squeeze first, then we check.
Squeeze. So sticky. It's fine.
What color is it now? So, too watery now?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
It's fine. It's really great. It's going to be great. So much was sugar. Then roll it and make a heart. So first we make a yes, my heart. One.
Good.
Our kids really enjoy Onde Onde and we hope you do so too. If you enjoyed the video, please support us by pressing the like button below. Also, do consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell notification icon.